once they reaches the metaphase, what happens over here is the chromosomes are completely condensed. So earlier they are in the chromatin thin fiber like that. Then once it reaches the metaphase, they are very thick like this. Okay, so you can tell, ma'am, chromosomes will be having only 2 chromatids. How come 4 chromatids? 4 chromatids, how it has come? Because of the S phase. In the S phase, the duplication of DNA occurs. So earlier 2 chromatids now become 4 chromatids. Okay, and then what happens is the another important process that has occurred started in the prophase is, yes, centriole divide and started moving towards the opposite poles. So here the centrioles are at the opposite poles, and what they will do, they won't sit there quietly, they start projecting spindle fibers. Okay, these centrioles will start projecting the spindle fibers. Okay, what these spindle fibers will do, what these projected spindle fibers will do, where does they projected, they will projected and they will be attached to the centromere region. So if we consider a chromosome, so we have a centromere region over here, and then we'll be having the chromatids like this. Okay, this is also known as the primary constriction or centromere, and to the centromere both the chromatids are attached. Here what happens, 4 chromatids will come. Why? Because in the S phase the DNA duplication has been occurred, so they will be doubled over here. Okay, the centromere, the spindle fibers will attaches, and then what happens is attaches to the centromeres. Okay, and then another important thing what happens over here is the chromosome, the condensed chromosomes. So here the chromosomes are in their highly condensed form. The condensed chromosomes, they will arrange at the equator region. Arranged at equator region or center region. So like your cell appear like a sphere. Okay, in the cell, in the and the earth you will be having, you know that there is an equator region that divides the entire earth into 2 regions. Okay, north region and south region. So this, like that, one equator region, ribbon like structure they will form. So consider this as a chromosomes. They will be very thick. Okay, and then they will be arranged at the equator. Equator means they will be forming an imaginary central line over here, and they arrange like this, very thick. Okay, and what happens here, centromeres which would have moved at the opposite poles, what it does, it will start projecting the spindle fibers, and these spindle fibers will be attached to the centromere region. Okay, and what happens is not only centromere, some spindle fibers will attach to the end of the chromatids also. So this is in the metaphase stage. Okay.